Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today for this session. My name is Soraya El-Kodzeh and I am the Program Manager for Accounting and Finance. In this webinar, I will present you our course offer for the next academic year, and I will also give you some information on our online delivery model and some information on how to enroll on the course should you want to do that. Today I'm being assisted by Christina from the marketing department. She is manning our chat room, so if you have any questions at any point of the presentation, please just type your questions in the chat and I will be happy to answer to them at the end of the session. Okay, our Department of Accounting and Finance, we have quite a range of accredited and non-accredited courses. So our accredited courses are validated by AAT, which is the Association of Accountant Technicians, and are really very useful to anybody who's thinking to start a career as an accountant or a finance manager later on. But we also offer non-accredited courses in personal finance and business finance for those people who want to acquire the financial skills, but they don't need a qualification per se. In personal finance, we have a few courses who are designed to promote a sound understanding of financial products and financial terminology so they can make informed choices on the different options available on the market. So our course in managing your personal finances gives an overview and useful information on ways to budget your personal budget, ways to save money, to borrow money, to invest money, and different financial products available in the different areas. Preparing for retirement and ethical investment are instead two standalone sessions. So preparing for retirement is focused on investing and saving options that allow you to grow wealth in the long term and in the medium term. Ethical investing is, again, one session is very focused only on investment options who are compliant with some ethical principles. In business finance, we have a few also non-accredited courses. So we have this introduction to accounting and finance, which presents you the key principles of accounting and some of the most common financial documents, and obviously teaches you how to use them. It is a great way for people who want to kind of have a feel of what the subject is about, and maybe they are considering a career in accounting, maybe they are considering whether or not they want to look after their own finances or their business finances. We do have, for people who have already decided they want to run their finances and manage their finances autonomously. We have sessions in financial management. So a financial management made easy. It gives an overview of the financial documents, but also the financial elements that you need to look at in order to run your business successfully. And then we have more specialized session, one on the UK taxation system, which is quite self-explanatory, and another one reading and analyzing finances for the creative enterprises, which is still financial management, is a little bit more tailored to freelancers, self-employed who work as freelancers. For those people who want to study accounting and want to develop a career and build the qualification, the skills that they need to work as an accountant, we offer a wide range of qualification, AAT qualification, ranging from level 1 up to level 4. So level 1 and level 2, we have also short courses in bookkeeping and in accounting software. Our courses that last average 8 weeks and then give you already a qualification. Who wants to have a more complete preparation in accounting can enroll onto our level 2 foundation certificate that lasts 1 year, and it covers all the different areas. So it has 5 mandatory units: bookkeeping transaction and bookkeeping controls, and then elements of costing using accounting software. And at the end, they have a synoptic assessment which puts together all the skills that you've been learning during during the year in the different units, but they put them in a real life scenario. So on completion of the course, you can either progress onto a level 3 advanced diploma in accounting, which we offer, or you can start applying for jobs. Obviously, it will be junior positions of accounts payable clerk or finance assistant or trainee accountant and similar. When we teach accounting software from next year, we will start using Xero alongside or perhaps even in replacement of Sage, because Xero is a new cloud computing software which is proving to be very popular and is very easy to use. It can be easily downloaded even on home computers and accessed independently for training purposes, and there is also obviously a version to be used for in accounting practice. It can also be downloaded as an app, which makes even easier study, practice, and familiarize with the tools. Our level 3 diploma in accounting runs the whole year. Obviously, it has some entry requirements. You need to have completed either the level 2, or you need to show that you have the same knowledge and equivalent knowledge and skills. It has 6 mandatory units. You can see that some of them are a deepening of the units you've been studying at level 2. So you have advanced bookkeeping now, and you have costing used for management accounting. And then some units introduce new topics. So you have final accounts preparation, indirect tax, ethics for accountants, and spreadsheets for accounting. And at the end, you will have again a synoptic assessment which pulls together all the skills that you've been learning throughout the years in the different units, but they put them in a context, so in real life scenarios. Completion of the course, you can start applying for jobs already. These are intermediate positions as an accountant, like you can apply for payroll supervisor, for example, as a tax assistant, an audit trainee, credit controller, and all similar positions of the same level of seniority. Otherwise, you can progress onto a level 4 professional diploma in accounting. This year, we're going to offer the level 4 on a modular level. So you can actually take the different modules independently as a standalone units. Or if you choose to do so, you can take them all in a sequence and get the final qualification at the end of the year. So many people actually find it useful to take only the specific unit that they need, because people sometimes are already working as accountants and they want to get specialized in a particular area of accounting. Otherwise, if you take the full qualification, it will lead you to apply to senior position as an accountant, VAT accountant, for example, commercial analyst, payroll manager, and obviously the pay that you will receive will match obviously the level of seniority of the position. All our courses are delivered online and will be delivered online at least until it will be fully safe to come back to classroom delivery. Therefore, it is very, very important that all of you have access to a computer at home and a reliable internet connection that allows you to log in and to stay online for a sustained amount of time without cracks and problems of connection, audio, video, etc., etc. We do offer support for to familiarize and to get set on our online platform so you can actually make the most of the lessons, and support also to access to our virtual learning environment, where we store all our materials, lesson materials, activity sheets, handouts, and etc. So you can actually make the most of the teaching and the learning. However, if you feel that your IT skills, the general IT skills, the underlying ones, are not very solid and very developed, maybe you might want to consider applying for an introductory IT course for beginners, just to consolidate your skills prior to enrolling or starting your course. I mean, you can always enroll, and then in the meanwhile, you develop your IT skills. This is all from me. If you are interested to apply on any of our courses, you can go online on our website. You access to the page related to the course, the specific course you are interested in, and you will click on enroll now or apply now, depending on the course you're choosing, and you will go through a guided procedure. So you can follow all the steps that you need to enroll. If you prefer enroll online, enroll over the phone, you can call us on the telephone number that is displayed here on the slide. We do offer also a range of discounts, concessions, and bursaries. If you need help with your fees, just inquire with the person you will speak to in the enrollment office. Instead, if you have any questions or you would like to have more information, I am happy to answer to those now.
Hi, Thora, thank you for that. No questions at the moment. We'll give a few minutes to let our attendees send anything through if they have anything. If not, we'll wrap up. Thank you.
Not a problem, no problem at all. Thank you, Christina. You can stay here a little. If you want to stay up to date with our news, events, and courses, send us an email at marketing@rac.sc.uk and we will add you to our mailing list. We also have a Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter accounts, so you can follow our news on there. Okay, I see that nobody has any questions. Therefore, I'm going to say goodbye for now. I hope to see you back in September. I wish you a lovely summer in the meanwhile. Should you have any question, you can always contact us at rbs@rac.sc.uk or info@rac.sc.uk. Thank you again for being here today.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. We have had some questions, if that's okay to answer them. Sorry about that. So the first question is, they want to know what is the starting date for the Level 2 Foundation Award in Accounting Software?
Okay, so that will be in, I believe it is in January. It is in January. You can, there are different start dates, so you might want to check on the website and see which one is the one that suits you best, really. Because these are short courses, they last only 8 weeks, so they have different starting dates at different points in the year.
Thank you, Faraya. Next question, how do they book an interview if they cannot do it online?
This is a good question. We do prefer doing interviews online because there is the camera and that allows us to kind of have this kind of connection, the visual connection. But if it is really difficult to access to an online meeting, we can work around this and do a telephone interview. However, the question that I ask at this point is, if you cannot do the interview online, I will wonder about your ability to do the course online. So you might want to verify and check about the reasons why you couldn't do an interview. Is it something permanent? Is it something due to circumstances? We can reschedule the interview in the case. But if it's something that it is stable and you cannot do online meetings or live events, I mean, I do wonder how are you going to be able to join the course, since any course that we are offering from September will be online. Sorry to give you bad news.
Hi, Thoraya. The attendees saying that there are no interview slots at the moment available online when you go through the enrolment process. So will there be any more slots released soon?
Oh, no. We don't do slots. We do not do slots. I mean, there are other departments that are giving you slots and you can book yourselves into the interview slots, but we do it things like slightly differently. So you need to apply and go through, I don't know if it shouldn't come out a page that asks you to book yourself into slots. If it does, you just skip the page and you finalize your enrollment for your application, and your application will come to us, to our administration, and we will contact you and we will offer an interview on a specific date and time via email. We will offer individually in interviews, times and dates to be confirmed. And obviously, if you are not available on the date and time offered, we can reschedule, we can agree something that is mutually convenient. But it's not going to be online. You're not booking yourself to slots because we don't have those.
Thank you, Thoraya. That's really clear. The last question that we've got is, how will you manage level 2 students who would like to then go on to level 3?
Sorry, I think I need, I'm not sure what you mean when you say how will we managing them. Usually the standard procedure is that they do the level 2, they pass the level 2, they complete the qualification and they progress on to level 3. But I do feel that I haven't not answered your question, so if you can please clarify what is it that you want to know, I would be happy to answer.
I will clarify with this learner and get back to you. One moment.
Thank you, Justina.
In the meantime, Thoraya, another attendee is asking about AAT2. They're still having exams. They still have exams to go, and they're inquiring about what's happening regarding that. So please explain that.
Yes, we were just discussing that today with my colleagues. We are waiting for directives from the Department for Education in this area. Unfortunately, they haven't given us the okay to open our premises. I mean, it is a difficult situation. At first, it seemed like we could open. Now we cannot open. So we will have to postpone the exams that had been scheduled originally for the 4th of July and 6th of July. We will have to reschedule those. At the moment, I'm not able to confirm the date as yet because we are still waiting for news and for definitive answers from the Department for Education. But please be assured that we are on the case and we are really chasing up and inquiring daily with the department in order to know when actually we will be able to reopen. And please be assured that as soon as we know, we will contact you. I do appreciate that this is a difficult situation and it can be quite frustrating because obviously you cannot plan your further steps. You cannot plan, you can't even plan your summer really probably because you are rightly waiting to complete your exams and to complete your course and get ready and really prepared for your exams. And I do, so I appreciate that it can be quite stressful. But unfortunately, we do not have any other information. I mean, it is a general situation. We can see from the news, I mean, the lockdown is lifted and then is enforced again. I don't know if you've seen Leicester, what's happening in that town. They are under lockdown again. So, as you can see, it is a situation that changes really day by day, and we can only follow the news and get updates and work accordingly. So please bear with us until the whole situation will be resolved.
I'm assuming we will let the learners know when an exam is reorganised. I'm sure you'll let the learners know by email, is that right?
Of course, yes. I already said that as soon as we know, we will let you know. We will let you know. The thing is, we are not even planning again for now because we don't know whether or not the college will be reopened, say the 10th of July or the 12th of July or the 20th of July. We don't know yet. So it probably will be even more frustrating if we make another plan and then the plan is changed again. So we are in a situation, really, we are waiting for news, and we will obviously let you know as soon as we know. Through your tutors or directly, our exam officer is contacting you very promptly, I believe, to let you know about any changes. Just please bear with us.
Thank you, Farai. And the last question, they enrolled online on Monday and they haven't yet received their confirmation. Do you know how long it will take or who they need to contact to get this information?
No, we are processing your applications. So if you enrolled online, you will receive soon a letter inviting you for an interview and explaining you all the steps that you need to complete. If you have already, I'm not sure, did you already attend the interview or it was just an enrollment?
It's looking like they just enrolled on the Monday. No interview yet, it looks like.
So you usually within 5 working days, that's the procedure. We just need the time to process your applications. You will receive an email shortly telling you the next steps and inviting you for an interview.
Perfect, Farai. I think that's all from our attendees. So if you don't mind wrapping up, that'd be great. Thank you.
All right, lovely. So again, thank you very much for coming. Thank you for asking. I really hope to see you back in September. If you have any more queries, contact us. Again, rbs@rac.ac.uk or info@rac.ac.uk. Thank you very much. I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.